Hi everybody, this is CA Balakrishna. Investment in mutual funds is subject to market risk. I think most of you people have heard this sentence, but most of you might have not understood what mutual funds exactly are and how mutual funds work. In this video, we are going to understand what mutual funds are and how they work. See, if we want to directly invest into stock market, we need to have lot of financial knowledge. We need to perform fundamental analysis, we need to perform technical analysis, and we need to possess a lot of knowledge regarding stock market. But small investors who have just entered into stock market don't possess all these kinds of knowledge. Here comes into the picture mutual funds to help these small investors. Let us now understand how these mutual funds exactly work. First of all, there will be a company known as AMC, that is Asset Management Company. You can call it as a mutual fund company. Now, this mutual fund company will collect amount from investors, and in return for the amount collected, this mutual fund company will allot mutual fund units to the investors. Now, the mutual fund company has pooled lot of amount. This amount will be invested by this mutual fund company into the stock market. For the purpose of investing into stock market, mutual fund company will employ fund managers. These fund managers are highly qualified people with lot of experience in the stock market. These fund managers will analyze various companies and will invest the amount collected by mutual fund into the stock markets. As the shares bought by this mutual fund company increase, the value of units that mutual fund company has allotted to its investors will also increase. And when the mutual fund company generates income from the shares that it has bought, this mutual fund company will give dividend to its mutual fund unit holders. This is how exactly the mutual fund will work. As per SEBI guidelines, there are 5 types of mutual funds. Let us understand what these 5 types of mutual funds are. Starting with equity oriented mutual fund. As we have discussed earlier, mutual fund company will collect amount from the investors. If this collected amount is invested by this mutual fund into the equity of various companies, then this type of mutual fund will be known as equity oriented mutual fund. And the second one will be debt mutual funds. If mutual fund invests this amount collected into debt of various companies, let's say into bonds, then this type of mutual fund will be known as debt oriented mutual fund. And the third type will be hybrid mutual funds. As the name suggests, these types of mutual funds will invest both in equity and debt. And the fourth type of mutual fund is solution oriented mutual fund. See, these types of mutual funds will solve the specific problems of various individuals. Let's say a person wants to save money for his daughter's marriage or for his daughter's education, then he can invest in these types of solution oriented mutual funds. And fifth category will be other types of mutual funds. All other types of mutual funds which are not covered under above 4 categories will be falling under this fifth category. And the example of mutual funds under this fifth category will be index funds. These index funds will invest directly into the stocks that are present in the index. Now, as we have understood what mutual funds exactly are and what are the types of mutual funds, let us now move into what are the advantages of investing into mutual funds. See, you might get a doubt that instead of directly investing into stock market, why should I invest in these mutual funds? What are the advantages of investing in these mutual funds? let us discuss these advantages. The first advantage will be diversification of your portfolio. See, if you want to diverse your portfolio, you need to have lot of capital. If you are having small amount of capital, you cannot properly diversify your portfolio. In this situation, you can invest in mutual funds. Since mutual funds will be having a lot of capital and they will be investing in lot of companies, your investment will be properly diversified if you invest in the mutual funds. That is the primary advantage of investing in mutual funds. Coming to the second advantage, expert management. See, we have discussed that these mutual funds will employ fund managers. These fund managers are will be having a lot of expertise in the stock markets. Thereby, your investment will be managed by those fund managers who are having a lot of expertise. Coming to third advantage, that is liquidity. See, whenever you want to sell the mutual fund unit that you have bought, you can freely sell it. That means there will be lot of market available for this mutual fund. You need not worry whether the mutual fund can be sold or not. The mutual fund company itself will buy back its the mutual fund units, thereby providing a lot of liquidity for the mutual funds. Coming to the fourth advantage, that is tax benefits. There are some types of mutual funds which will allow some tax benefits. If you invest in those mutual funds, you can claim deductions under Income Tax Act. That will be the another benefit by investing in the mutual funds. Coming to the fifth advantage, less risky. See, if you invest directly into the stock market, the chances of losing your capital is very high. Whereas if you invest in the mutual funds, since the mutual funds will diversify your investment and even the investment will be managed by highly expertise people, the chances of losing your capital here are very low. Thereby, investment in mutual funds is less risky when compared to investment in a stock market directly. Hope this information was useful to you, and that's it for today, guys. Signing off, CA Balakrishna.